Day 18 adds the UpdateUser endpoint. The endpoint updates a user's full name and email, then returns the correct HTTP status code. The current state is ready. The API can create users, list users, and get one user by ID. The project is still using in-memory storage. Create and read are already done for users. The next normal CRUD step is update, using the same service and controller pattern already practiced with tasks. By the end of today, UpdateUserRequest should exist, IUserService should have UpdateUser, UserService should update users, the controller should expose put, and the project should build. First, create UpdateUserRequest. It receives the updated full name and email from the API body. It does not include ID because the ID comes from the URL. Next, update the service contract. Add UpdateUser with the user ID and UpdateUserRequest. It returns nullable user response because the user may not exist. Then implement the update logic. Find the user by ID, return null if missing, validate full name, validate email, update the fields, and return the updated user. The controller exposes HTTP put with ID. It reads the ID from the URL, reads the update data from the request body, and returns OK, bad request, or not found. Testing starts by creating a user first. Put users/1 should return 200 OK. Updating a missing user returns 404. Invalid input returns 400. After user update works, stop. Do not add user delete, SQL Server, EF Core, or authentication today.